As we were looking around that container file copy, if you see, I told you this would take around 7 to 8 minutes to run. So we just had a pause on the video. Now we are continuing back. So these are all the steps that has actually been given on the steps, and I told you this publish artifact is a step that has been publishing towards Azure DevOps, and this Azure blob file copy is the one that we have set up for file copying to the containers. And if you see, total files transferred and the transferred file successfully. So this is actually using az file copy command, and it is trying to copy the files to this particular storage account and under this particular containers. So once after this file copy is completed, we can go one step back, and here we can see published over here. So this published is nothing but this drop of 20 MB is the same zip files and everything. This is stored on our Azure DevOps itself. And now when we actually go to the Azure portal, and this is the artifacts resource group, under artifacts resource group we are going to the storage account, and here if we go to the containers, we can see that the files are being copied over here. If you see here, the same things, which is ARM template, src test, and the zip file, and the same thing you can see it over here as well, ARM templates, health, zip, src, and test. So I'm having two copies over here. One is on Azure DevOps and one is on our Azure containers, so that even if one goes down, I can use another one for our safety purposes. So this is how you just need to have a step to copy your artifact. So similarly, I can have 3 steps as well. So I can even have one more step to copy to an S3 blob. I can have one more step to copy through the Dropbox or Google Drive. So this is called as your artifacts replication. So this lab will tell you how do you link between Azure DevOps and S3, sorry, blob containers or S3 buckets, and then how do you copy the artifacts from one location to another location. So just try these labs and then let me know if you guys face any issues. Until then, thank you.